Hello fashionistas, welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the versatile world of denim shorts, an essential summer staple that can be styled in countless ways. Whether you are heading to the beach, running errands, or going out for a casual night on the town, denim shorts are your go-to piece for comfort and style. In this video we will explore a variety of chic and trendy outfits featuring denim shorts perfect for every occasion. Let's get started and discover how you can elevate your summer wardrobe with these timeless pieces. Denim shorts are perfect for a casual day out, whether you are meeting friends for brunch or taking a stroll in the park. Here are some simple yet stylish ways to wear your denim shorts during the day. Classic white tee and sneakers paired with denim shorts is a timeless look that never goes out of style. Choose a fitted or slightly oversized white tee and tuck it into your high-waisted denim shorts. Add a pair of white sneakers for a clean, effortless vibe. Accessorize with a crossbody bag and some sunglasses, and you are ready to go. For a boho chic look, pair your denim shorts with a flowy peasant blouse. Look for blouses with intricate embroidery, tassels, or bell sleeves to add a touch of bohemian flair. Complete the outfit with some strappy sandals and a whole brimmed hat. Add a few layered necklaces and bangles to enhance the boho aesthetic. Denim shorts are a fantastic option for the day at the beach. They are easy to slip on over your swimsuit and look great with beachwear accessories. Pair your denim shorts with a stylish bikini top and a lightweight kimono. The kimono adds a layer of coverage and a touch of elegance to your beach look. Choose a kimono with vibrant patterns or fringe details to make a statement. Finish the look with some flip-flops and a beach tote. Don't forget to your sun hat and sunscreen. For a laid-back beach look, wear your denim shorts with a simple tank top. Opt for a tank in the bright color or fun print to add some personality to your outfit. Pair it with some comfortable espadrilles and a straw hat. Add a pair of oversized sunglasses and a beach bag to complete the ensemble. Denim shorts can also be dressed up for a night out with the right accessories and styling. You can create a chic and sophisticated look. For a stylish night out, pair your denim shorts with an off-shoulder top. Choose a top in a bold color or with ruffled details for an added touch of glamour. Add a pair of strappy heels to elevate the look. Accessorize with statement earrings and a clutch bag. This outfit is perfect for a date night or night out with friends. Create a chic polished look by pairing your denim shorts with a tailored blazer. Choose a fitted blazer in a neutral color like black, white or beige. Wear a simple camisole or tank top underneath and add a pair of ankle boots. This outfit is great for transitioning from day to night. Add a statement necklace and a structured handbag to complete the look. Denim shorts are a festival essential. They are comfortable, practical, and can be styled in so many fun and creative ways. For a bohemian festival look, pair your denim shorts with a crochet top. Add a fringe vest to enhance the boho vibe. Complete the outfit with some ankle boots and layered jewelry. Don't forget your festival accessories like a flower crown or a wild brimmed hat. This look is perfect for dancing the day away at your favorite music festival. Channel your inner rock star with a band tee and denim shorts. Choose a vintage or distressed band tee and tuck it into your shorts. Add a pair of combat boots for an edgy touch. Finish the look with some round sunglasses and a belt bag. This outfit is perfect for a grunge-inspired festival look. Denim shorts can also be styled for a sporty athleisure look. This is perfect for running errands or a casual day out or a very low-key workout. Yes, you can wear denim shorts to the office provided you style them appropriately and your workplace dress code allows for the casual attire. Denim shorts are a versatile and essential piece in any summer wardrobe. From casual day looks to chic night outfits, beachwear to office casual, and everywhere in between, there are countless ways to style denim shorts to suit your personal style and occasion. Experiment with different tops, shoes, and accessories to create a unique and stylish outfit that make you feel confident and fashionable. Thanks for joining us on this denim short styling journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Luna Fashion and Beauty for more fashion tips and inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident. Bye for now.